What do you think is the most common sight in your supermarket? Dairy goods? Cereals? Household products? Baked goods? Wrong. It's cartons. Those thousands of cartons come from a folding carton manufacturer. This building houses quite a bit of interesting machinery. Cartons start out in big rolls. This paperboard is made from up to 90% recycled material, and any waste from this plant will be sent back to be re-recycled. Printing is the first step. Most color printing uses only 4 colors, 3 primaries and black. Carton printing often uses more colors. This offset press can do 6 colors, 2 different inks at each of 3 sets of rollers. The extra stages are necessary because of the unique, bright colors that packaging requires, and the inks are custom mixed for each different package. In offset printing, the image from the printing plate is transferred first to an intermediate roller, then to the paperboard. Here they're checking to see that all the colors are printed in the right spots and there are no streaks or other imperfections. This is the German version of Bounce fabric softener. The English version of Bounce is about to be pressed into this. It's a die that will cut and crease the box. The exposed metal ridges will add the creases, and knife edges, hidden here by rubber strips, will trim the box to shape. Waste comes out the bottom and is sucked away to be recycled. Sample boxes are folded by hand and glued to make sure that the perforations will break with the right amount of force when you get them home from the store. Other die-cut and creased cartons come here. This operation is kind of self-evident, but fun to watch. Gee, these guys make a mess. That's okay though, they have the world's most effective central vacuuming system. This would be great in a house, unless of course you had pets. This is a gravure press. Unlike the offset presses, the gravure uses an etched roller to transfer the printing images directly to the board. Each roller rotates in a bath of ink, and a doctor blade skims off the excess. That leaves only ink trapped in fine etched pits in the roller. Also, unlike the offset presses, this one's fed from a continuous roll of paper. At the top of each tower is a heater that dries the ink before the next color is applied. But hot board doesn't print properly, so a set of refrigerator rollers cool the board before each new section. This press is capable of printing 8 colors, but often all 8 stages aren't colored ink. Depending on the package, the final stages can apply shiny coatings to the outside of the box and water-resistant coatings to the inside. The exact positioning of the printing done by each roller is sensed automatically by scanning a group of printed marks. This equipment adjusts the positioning of the print by adjusting the tension of rollers in the press. From here, the cartons go to the folder. Each one of these machines is custom configured for the box that it folds. This roller is applying glue to the underside of a flap on the box. Up and over. This is a pretty simple operation. These are bacon wrappers, also a pretty simple operation, but this machine folds 70,000 of them an hour. Here's a slightly more complicated fold. It's a candy bar box. That big roller is applying glue at all the right spots. Okay, if a machine can do it, so can I. Well, that was my third try. This is a 6-pack and my personal favorite folding machine. A little glue, fold, more glue. Here come 3 folds at once. Ready? The finished carton will be held rigid by the bottles that it contains, but can be folded flat for shipping. I wonder if I'll ever throw out an empty carton again without taking it apart first.